Find out if your bird is abusing you.
गाइज ये है मेरी बजीज पैरोट की कॉलोनी और सबसे पहले मैं आपको अपने बर्ड दिखाऊंगा, उसके बाद एग दिखाऊंगा और एग दिखाने के बाद दोस्तों ये एग आने के अंदर जो हमारी सक्सेस रही है, सक्सेस के पीछे का राज बताऊंगा। सबसे पहले आप मेरे बर्ड्स देख लीजिए दोस्तों, और यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं अभी हमारी कॉलोनी जो है वो फुली कवर्ड है दोस्तों, क्योंकि कवर्ड इसलिए है क्योंकि सुबह सुबह का टाइम।
Your bird a master manipulator? Look out for these signs for manipulative behavior. Your bird is using charming tactics. Your bird is displaying selective bonding, showing affection only when it benefits them. Your bird is exhibiting jealousy or possessiveness towards you or objects that belong to you, an essential trait in social animals. But some birds may lack this characteristic and instead will show cold-hearted behavior, such as showing indifference or apathy towards the emotions or well-being of others, like returning to playtime after biting you, without regard for the consequences or impact on others. But a seed-only diet is too high in fat and lacks essential nutrients, leading to health problems for pet birds. In this video, we make sure you're not making these common errors and learn how to create the perfect environment for your bird. Regularly check for rust, sharp edges, or even the poop on the bottom of your bird's cage, so you know your bird is safe and healthy. Maintain your new bird to prevent the spread of diseases to your current flock.